Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Genshin Impact on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Genshin Impact on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for Hoyoverse, as they're the developer of Genshin Impact, so on their website is where we can download the game. And after searching, you will now be able to see the official website of Hoyoverse, so just go and click it. And after that, you will now be on the website. So to download Genshin Impact on this website, it's so simple. You just need to scroll down and then you will now be able to see all the games of Hoyoverse, including Genshin Impact, so just go and select the game. And then just click this. And after that, you will now be directed to the download page of Genshin Impact. Just select a download button right here depending on your device. And since we are using a desktop, this is what we should select. And then your Genshin Impact installer will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the game. And then you will now begin your installation setup. So right here, you just need to check all the terms and service policy, and then click the quick installation button. After that, click the finish and launch button. And then you will now be directed to the final installation of the game, so just click this Get Game button. And then Hoyoverse will show you the game size and the location where all the game's installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click Change and then set it to the folder where you want to save it, but if you are already fine with the location, just click Install. And after that, your Genshin Impact will now start installing. The installation process might take a lot of time depending on your internet speed since the game size is kinda big, but just be patient and wait for it to finish and then you will be able to play it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.